Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you can never miss an update. What does relaxation mean to you? To some, it is the absence of stress in their life. To others, it is the ability to do things in your own pace. So no matter what relaxation would mean to you, the question I want you to ask yourself is, are you truly relaxed when you are in that relaxation zone? Are you totally stress-free up here? If not, how can you relax there so that your body can follow suit? I'd like to explore this today and teach you 4 different techniques that you can use in the comfort of your house. I'd like to call this the subtle art of complete relaxation. Part 1. Did you know that ours is the most sleep-deprived generation of them all? We are not designed to work 24/7, 365 days, although that is being perceived as a modern day mantra. In fact, a couple of my friends take tremendous pride in saying they sleep very little. I'm not an authority to tell you how much sleep do you need in your life, but when you want a good night's sleep and you're unable to get it, these 4 techniques can help a great deal. Number 1, deep breathing technique. The way we breathe affects our whole body. Deep breathing exercises are super easy and you can do them wherever and whenever you want. To practice, sit in a comfortable position with your back upright. Close your mouth and inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath inside your body for 4 counts. And release the air out of your lung for 8 counts. So you inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use this technique to instantly relax yourself wherever you are, whenever you want. Number 2, self-massage. A little self-massage is most effective to release minor muscle knots in your body. I'd like to introduce a good friend of mine, Moses from LCIC London, to demonstrate this for us.
Friends, let me teach you how to relax in 5 minutes. So shoulder squeeze, do that for 30 seconds on both sides. Then back of the neck, tilting your head, massaging on the back of the neck. Then face, cover the entire face with firm pressure, whatever is comfortable for you. Squeeze around the orbits of the eye and press below the eye and sweep. Massaging the head. Use the firm pressure or the pressure which is comfortable for you. Do this all for 30 seconds each. Then you squeeze with the heel and lift. And you can also do circles with the heels. And you can finish this sequence by placing your hands on the face.
Thank you, Moses. As you can see, this is easy and effective and you can practically do it wherever you are. This not just relaxes your body but also revs up your energy. Alright friends, I will be back next week to conclude the remaining 2 techniques. So keep watching this channel and join back next Thursday. Like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and keep sending me all your positive vibes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back next week. Until then, bye.